It's like putting your money in investment.
Yes.
Because then if you go to another country, you don't have to worry about the money not being good.
Yes.
Gold is good everywhere.
Yes.
Say please.
The most thing she wants in her life is necklace. She told you that. Gold necklace because gold.
I have cheap stuff made of plastic.
Yeah, because gold necklace is very expensive. So that's why she wanted.
Here you go.
Gold necklace. When I,
1, 2, 3, 4.
to me, gold necklace is not benefit to me.
Well, it is if it's like money.
Yeah.
And to many people, if you've lived in several countries, gold is as good as money.
Okay.
That's why a lot of people, especially if they've lived in several countries, they invest in gold because then if they have to leave, you can take American dollars, but if they're not worth anything but paper, you know. But gold is always good in every country.
Yeah.
Is he eating something or not? No, he just took a drink of water.
When you have gold necklace and you put on your neck and you put on your neck, it's very dangerous if you go to Thailand or you go to
You have to hide it. He's in Thailand. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are pretty colors. You haven't done any singing for your grandma. This is what I was singing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got it.
Do you think that if we put gold necklace, you feel like you more younger or more handsome or more beautiful?
It's something that is hers and not your husband's.
Okay.
You know, if she wears it, then if he leaves her or whatever, she's still got something of value.
What husband?
Maybe.
In America,
I think that she-
in America that isn't that case that much, but
Yeah, I think that she had gold necklace before, and
she probably had to sell it when she needed money for her
you
family.
know, yeah. And when I went to school in Vientiane, when I went to my college, and my dad didn't have money for me, and she had to give me her gold necklace to exchange money. That's 10 years ago.
So she's reminding you of that.
Yes. So she reminded me that.
She has sacrifice. Now get that picture out and tell me again. Go get that picture that I ran off. What happened to it? You and your brothers.
Me and my brother.
Yeah, I just show her what happened to that picture that you were showing me that I had in my bag. Remember?
Yeah.
With your dad and his brothers. I want him to explain who each of the brothers are.
This one?
Yes. Now. Okay. Now this one is you.
Yes.
Now how many are from your full brothers?
This one and this one.
Okay.
Only 2.
Yeah. Okay. And then the rest. And this is your dad, right?
Yes.
This is your grandpa right here. That's your grandpa. That's your daddy's father. This is your daddy right there. Well, he's got to tell us the names.
We still have. She still have 2 or 3 more sons that
Right.
do not
That are not on the picture.
show up on the kitchen.
Okay, can you tell me the names? Tell me the names.
The name? This one is B. This Phu. And this one Hang. And this is Bao. This Long.
Is he the only one with light hair?
Sorry?
Is he the only one with lighter hair?
I don't know, and I don't know he has the hair like American like European people.
He does look like an American, doesn't he?
Yeah. And I don't know, with our identity, we never have some people like that before, but I don't know why she has two or three sons that has
Lighter hair?
yeah.
Ooh, honey. Oh. Are you okay, James?
Just a yes.
Did you say hey like hey what?
Hair?
Yeah.
Hair.
Oh no, I mean yellow.
Light.
Light.
Blonde.
Blind.
Yeah.
He has blonde hair. Blonde.
But you know, it can go back many generations where there was someone that with lighter hair in your family.
No.
It can go back several generations
I know.
where there was somebody maybe even during the Vietnam War or something. Maybe your great grandmother or something.
No, my grandmother, my grandparents, and before my grandparents, we never have some.
The what?
With lighter skin, lighter hair.
Yeah, we never have any people who has.
You don't know though. I mean, that's way
Light
before
hair.
your time. You never know what's there was the rapings, weren't there rapings?
Maybe.
You know, so
Yeah. Some people believe that that could be.
Come on, yeah, a rainbow.
I don't know.
Rainbow. The what? Or not?
well
Rainbow what?
with American Native American, no, not Native, well, Native American too, but with the black race in America, there's very few that do not have some Caucasian blood.
Okay.
Very few.
Okay.
Because during time of slavery, almost all of the slave owners had sexual relations with their slaves.
Okay.
So over the generations, American blacks that have lived here for very long, almost all have some lighter skin
Okay.
because of the generations of sex with their masters.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
in that case, you see it advertised all the time. You can have your DNA tested. You see that advertised on TV all the time, where they can send in their DNA evidence. They take a little swab and they put it inside their liquid of their mouth, and then they put it in a little plastic bag and they send it in. And then you can find out where your families, for hundreds of years, what parts of the world they came from. It's called ancestry, study of DNA.
I don't know that before, but my culture identity came from China, so.
Yeah, and you know also Alaska, the Alaskan Eskimos, they believe they came over the reef there from China also.
Okay.
So that's how they believe a lot of the American Indians came into the United States, was through Alaska and down.
Okay.
Look at all her little green patties she made there. Are those leaves? They look like leaves.
Do it, please.
Look at there. What